Did you know that 7 to 13% of all preschool children snore, and that some experts now assert that everyone who snores will develop sleep apnea eventually? Here's a typical case. He breathes loud when he sleeps. His mom believes it when she hears, "It's normal, he'll outgrow it." Now she has a blind spot, and her baby is at risk for sleep apnea. What's the point? Snoring is not normal and should never occur. The refereed literature confirms that orthotropics can improve the airway in young patients. In extreme cases, orthotropics may also help them avoid surgery. A possible solution to OSA and other sleep disordered breathing issues in pediatric patients is at your fingertips. Please call us to learn more.